Hey guys, do you want to see how you can save thousands of dollars a year on your Klaviyo bill? If so, stay tuned. I'm going to give you a glimpse into the Dynamx high-level automatic suppression flow. In 2025 now, the Klaviyo are charging you guys for active profiles. This flow is going to save you guys an absolute fortune. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so this is our custom auto suppress flow here. So it's triggered via the Dynamx unengaged segment. But what's important is this webhook, which delivers a custom payload, and this flow runs 24/7/365. So let's check out this together. You can see here that we've already had a completion of 20,527 profiles. Each and every one of those were suppressed. So you do the math on that and realize how much money this client is saving on a monthly basis just from that alone. It's crazy, this flow, guys. So I want to find a way to make sure you all have access to this so you can go ahead and roll it out. I do have a trick up my sleeve. So what I'm going to do for the first 10 people that like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying I want it, I'm literally going to jump in your Klaviyo account and I'm going to clone this over for you totally for free, no strings attached. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, guys. Our clients are literally saving tens of thousands of dollars a year, not having to worry about high level list cleaning, especially now more than ever with Klaviyo now charging you guys per active profile. Even if you have 1,000 too many over the course of a year, that can really stack, guys, and eat into the margins. We have clients that have literally over 500,000 subscribers, well I should say did have, that have now been really leaned down, had crazy big bloated lists that they were like paying an absolute fortune for. This is a really in-demand service. It's something that we get scoped in, tasked in to do, creating custom segments, sunset flows, and ultimately we always deploy our high-level automatic suppression flow, guys. So yeah, if you want it, first 10, like, comment, sub, and you've got it.